Okay, hi and welcome back. And in this video, we will be learning about integers and its basic concepts. We will learn how to add and subtract integers. So let's get started. So we will first try to know what whole numbers are. So whole numbers are these basic counting numbers that start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It goes on and on. Then there is something called the natural numbers. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and again they go on and on. Maybe the reason why they are calling this natural number is that maybe in nature there is no such thing as zero. See, there is no such thing as nothing. There's something always there. So it's just my thought. I don't know. And there are this thing called integers afterwards. So integers we can define roughly as positive and negative natural numbers including 0. Okay, and in a number line, if we have to represent integers, this is how we are going to do. So 0 will be at the center, and in the the positive direction will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And in the negative direction, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, 5, and so on. It goes on and on. Okay, now we will learn about addition and subtraction of integers, and I have 4 examples here. First one is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2, we all know. And -1 minus 1, we will end up at -2. -3 plus 4 is 1. Plus 4 minus 5 is -1. So let's try to understand these examples one by one. The first one, see, we are at 1 and we are adding 1 to it. So 1 and we add one more 1, we wind up at 2. So that's the answer. Second one, we are at -1 and we are subtracting 1 from it. Okay, -1, subtraction, and 1. So -1 minus 1, we will land up at -2, like this. And in the third example, it's -3 plus 4. So we are at -3 and we are adding 4 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we wind up at +1. And the fourth one is 4 minus 5. So we are at 4 and we are subtracting. We are going -5. 5 times towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we wind up at -1. So there is the simple rule. So the rule is, if you see the same sign, okay, two numbers having the same sign. For example, in the first and the second example, both the numbers are having the same sign, +1 and +1. The plus is not shown, but it's 1 means +1. +1 and +1. What we will do, we'll just add. We will not think about anything. We'll just add them. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we'll add the same sign, which is plus. In the second example, we will just add 1 and 1. We will not care about anything. So 1 and 1, when we add, it becomes 2, and we'll write the same sign. So if there is same sign, we will add and write the same sign. And in third and the fourth example, opposite sign, we have opposite sign. 3 is having negative, 4 is having positive. So in such cases where we have opposite signs, what we will do, we will subtract the smaller number from the larger number, and we will write the sign of the larger number. So in third example, -3, +4, we will just subtract 3 from 4 because 4 is larger. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And now while putting the sign, we'll put the sign for 4. Larger number is 4, so it's positive. Okay, so it's +1. Similarly, in the fourth example, 4 minus 5. 4 is having positive sign, 5 is having negative sign. So what we'll do, we'll just subtract 5 minus 4 is 1, and the sign for the larger number is negative. So we'll just put negative sign there. Okay, thank you, and I hope the video was useful. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.